Hola chicos, welcome back to Fluent AF Academy. In today's episode is going to be a vocabulary lesson. Family members in Spanish. Let's start. Papá, papá, dad. Remember, put the accent on this one, otherwise you will say something completely different like papa without the accent means potato or means pope. So easy with this one. Mamá, mamá, mom. And easy with this one as well, guys. Put the accent. Otherwise, mama means to suck or like breastfeed, and we don't want to say something like that. So remember, mama, mama, no mama. Abuelos, abuelos, grandparents. It's the plural way. So in Spanish, if you want to call your grandparents, it's abuelos, the masculine form plus the S, abuelos. Abuelo, abuelo, grandfather. Abuela, abuela, grandmother. Hermanos, hermanos, siblings. Hermano, hermano, brother. Hermana, 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 sister. So how can we enumerate our siblings? Very easy. First one, we have the older brother or sister. We call it mayor, hermano or hermana mayor. Then we have mediano, the middle one, or mediana, depends. If it's a male, we use mediano. If it's a female, we use mediana. And then the last one, but not less important, we have the younger one, and we call it pequeño if it's a male, and if it's a female, pequeña. Remember, A is for female in Spanish and O is for male. Hijo, hijo, son, hijo. Hija, hija, daughter, hija. Tío, tío, uncle. Tía, 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 aunt. Primo, primo, cousin. But remember, this is the male one. The female one, it's prima, prima. Remember, primo and prima. Nieto, nieto, grandson, the male one. And the female one, it's nieta, granddaughter. Next one, quiz. So you must say your answer louder and let me know in the comments if you get it right. First question. ¿Cómo se dice sister en español? Tic tac, tic tac, tic tac, tic tac, tic tac, tic tac. Remember how to say sister in Spanish. Hermana, hermana. Next one. How do you say younger brother in Spanish? Younger brother in Spanish. How to say that? Tic tac, tic tac, tic tac. Hermano menor. Hermano menor. And the last one, guys. What does mamá means? Tic tac, tic tac, mamá. What that means? What that means? 3 seconds. The answer is mom. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye.